Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Sifa Rahayu. I'm nursing student in Stikes General Ahmad Yani Cimahi. Now, I would like to tell you about how register LinkedIn account in LinkedIn application. So, let's enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, the first thing you just make sure you have LinkedIn application. If you don't download this application, you just open it and fill the name, your email, and your password. Your profile information, and this application will give you choice. Are you a student or not? Fill your college, your major, or your first in college, and your graduation, year of graduation. Next, choose your country and postal code. Choose your profile photo. Job position, synchron your contact, and this application will sync your update about your relation maybe or your friends, which is same in this application too. Okay, finally you have LinkedIn account and enjoy to use this application.
Okay guys, that's all for tutorial video about LinkedIn account. So I hope you enjoy for this tutorial and let's make the LinkedIn account. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.